Hi, I'm Rachel for Expert Village. Now I'm going to attach the jump ring into the string. I folded up the string into two. I have this part, the part that is folded up, creates a little ring. I'm just going to put this part through the jump ring, as you can see, and take this part and just put it through the string, put the string through it. You just have to hold the jump ring, otherwise it's just gonna go backwards and it's not gonna make a tie. I have a tie here, but I'm gonna make it a little bit stronger by taking the string and just making one more regular knot, like this. Now the ring is sturdy and ready to be worked with. Let's see it one more time real quick. We're just going to put the string through, take this part, hold the ring with two fingers, put the string through, make a knot, and then separate the strings and make one more knot. And here we go.